Hello everyone. I'm here to share the insights from a paper titled Genre Prediction in Books using Natural Language Processing. I specifically choose this paper because of the dataset which I have chosen for my project. I have taken a news article dataset where I'm trying to apply the ESG scoring and use some of the models of the NLP techniques so that I can categorize the company names who are providing the news, different kinds of news. So basically, for that purpose, I have taken this research paper. This paper is presented at the fourth International Conference on Computing and Data Science in the year 2022. They mainly dwells into the intriguing intersection where technology meets literature, exploring how the advanced NLP techniques can revolutionize the genre prediction in books. Moving on to the next slide. So the data information, so the researchers, they compiled a comprehensive data set comprising these attributes of books such as titles, authors, and summaries. This richness data sets served as the cornerstone for their exploration into the genre prediction. They offer textual elements to analyze and interpret. The data set allowed the examination of how different textual components they contribute to the genre prediction. So by using the titles, authors, and summaries, the researchers could uncover the hidden patterns and correlation that might not be apparent when considering each attribute independently. So the data set, it was they divided into the training and the testing patterns and use the different models, and based on the results they are trying to categorize to go with which approach is better for their study. And coming to this, so these are the models which they have applied in the paper. So it's from the traditional algorithms like support vector machines and k-nearest neighbors, and they have used more sophisticated approaches also like decision trees, naive bayes, and the researchers, they employed a technique to tackle the genre prediction task. So each model here, it's unique, it has its unique strength and limitations to the table. So the traditional algorithm, they provided a solid foundation. Uh, they had a really good accuracy rate, but compared to the advanced deep learning models like BERT, they showcased a potential cutting-edge NLP technique in unraveling the intricate textual relationship here. So we can just talk about these results in our future slides. Coming to the results, what exactly these models they delivered. So there was a tabular representation of the values which they have, each model have provided the accuracy with for the set of training and the test data sets they have worked on. So despite the challenges posted by the abstract titles and the multi-genre, the researchers, they made significant progress in genre prediction, notably birth. So taking this NLP technique, so this deep learning model, they emerged as the top performer. They have got achieved an impressive accuracy of 57.80% in analyzing the book summaries, while the traditional methods like SVM, they yielded the lower accuracy of 14.37. So based on the book titles. So these findings, they underscore the varying degrees of effectiveness across the different textual attributes and the modeling approaches. So through this results, it's pretty much clear that we can just lean towards the NLP techniques when you're trying to categorize some of the textual content from your data set. So this is was the main gist of the project, like the paper I have went through. And moving to the findings and observations, like so overall, this paper had got the numerical outcomes. So they unreveal the deeper insights into the dynamics of book classifications. So it shed light on the relationship between the textual elements and the genre prediction, revealing the intricate interplay of linguistic patterns and thematic nuances embedded within the book summaries. So, moreover, the study underscored the evolving landscape of NLP and its transformative potential in unlocking the insights from textual data. So the birth approach they have used in this technique, the researchers, they can gain the unprecedented access to the semantic textual content, paving way for an accurate and like more of an accurate value for in predicting the genres in the book sections. So this is what is the findings based on the data we have obtained, like the accuracy rate and other predictive scores. So how the text classifications have been achieved. So this is what is basically the authors are trying to convey here. And I just I went through this paper, and so what I have like overall the insight which I have achieved from this paper is like so this paper they has a testament to the transformative power of NLP. So NLP is something the new technology like which we are trying to implement in most of the data sets on text classification. So it challenges us to rethink conventional approaches to genre prediction and encourages us to embrace the advanced technique that leverage the semantic of textual data. So furthermore, the study highlights the interdisciplinary nature of data science, maybe bridging the gap between the technology and humanities to unlock the new insights from vast repository of textual knowledge. So we explore the frontiers of NLP, we can draw the inspiration from this study and push the boundaries of what's possible in predicting the textual categorization or any sort of categorization. It could be helpful in predicting with the help of the natural language processing. So that so when we are just going through a research paper, like there will be a lot of critics to comment on it. Like there will be some of the things they would have kept in a different approach. So like moving on to the critics, like what went well and what could have been taken in a different way. So while the study they offers a valuable insights, so it's essential to acknowledge its limitation and areas for the improvement. So a deeper exploration of the factors they influencing the model performance and more comprehensive analysis of potential bias could enhance the effectiveness and generalizability of the findings. So the future research they could benefit from exploring the modeling approaches and additional features to further refine the genre prediction. Uh, but I would say that the advancement in the field of NLP and the other techniques which we could uh, try to implement, like we have used birth concept here, and there are other approaches in NLP also. They could have tried that possibility and could check on the accuracy rates and how they're trying to understand the textual data. So that could also be done in this paper, which they are lagging to work on the part of that. So moving on to the project application. So as I mentioned earlier, so I have taken a uh, news article database where I'm trying to categorize like the companies who are providing the news and news articles. So I'm just basically trying to classify my companies who are providing the news. So for that purpose, I felt like since I'm using the NLP concept, the data set, I'm trying to implement the techniques outlined in this paper, particularly in the natural language processing and machine learning, by categorizing the company names, integrate the ESG scoring techniques, and analyze the sentiment within the textual content of these articles. So as we refine our methods for the predicting scores, the extracting insights, implementing the strategies from this paper, they provide a solid framework for enhancing our project's capabilities. So that's the reason I find this paper interesting, that I can take some of the methods, like not exactly the birth, but there are some of the techniques in NLP which can be applied on the sentiment scores, and I can try to categorize my uh, data set. So that's the main approach that I'm planning to work on my project. So overall, this research paper exemplifies the transformative potential of NLP. So many projects, like we used to work on only on the machine learning techniques. So now these deep learning concepts are more involved. Like they are providing a really robust results, like which could help you in predicting your data, and coming to a conclusion of what exactly we can like provide as a data scientist. So this will help in bridging the gap between the technology and literature. So researchers, they can eliminate the hidden patterns and relationships that embedded within the textual content. Like they can pave the way for the new discoveries and innovations in this field. So apart from the traditional machine learning concepts, like we can try to explore a lot in the NLP. So that's the main reason like I took this paper, and this paper is also like related to my project. So that's the main reason behind this. And you people can leave any comments on this, like if you feel like what can be done or what could be the possible approaches in the text classification side. So thank you.